why you are not making money online and what you can do about it. This is really about how strong analytics help you make more money faster without losing your ass in ad spends. Well, the one thing you know is that you're spending money and not making money. But you know that internet marketing has the potential to make you a lot of money. And you're frustrated that other people seem to find success while you struggle. You're confused by why your efforts are not working. And the reason is, in a word, data. Here's the thing about internet marketing. It's extremely predictable. It's like a machine. If you put the right ingredients in the right order into the top of the machine, dollars will flow out at the bottom. If you don't have the right ingredients, or the right amount of ingredients, or the right quality of ingredients, or put them in the machine in the wrong order, you get nothing. You have to know all about the ingredients and how they work together. So right now you put together some Facebook or Google ad campaigns. You follow all of the guru's advice. Maybe you get some traffic moving to your pre-sale page or offer page, but nothing converts, no matter what you do. And you ask yourself, how do the big guys do it? What am I missing? Well, what you're missing is knowing how to collect, read, and interpret the data available to you, and how to make informed decisions based on that data. In short, you will keep losing money until you understand that internet marketing data drives your decisions. Introducing the Internet Sales Analytics course. This course will take all of the guesswork out of your internet marketing efforts. No more overwhelm at the data you see on the Facebook or Google Ads managers. No more wondering what the data means. No more feeling, I don't get it. Instead, the ability to adjust, tweak, and manage your campaigns according to what the data tells you. Pinpoint with incredible accuracy exactly what has to be adjusted. Spend ad money wisely and strategically, and start making profits instead of soaking up losses. I'm going to show you how to increase your clicks, sales, and subscribers using the data you already have. Bottom line, tracking data and making smart decisions is a lot easier than you think once you know the formulas. Oh, and one more thing. And honestly, I feel pretty stupid telling you about how I finally figured this out. I've been doing internet marketing of one kind or another for years, mostly marketing my own online courses and books. I made some sales, but certainly not enough to quit my day job. And then I took up affiliate marketing. I failed miserably. The problem was that I did not know how to make good decisions. I didn't even understand that I lacked that skill. I just followed the advice of my mentors and continued to pour money down a rat hole. What's crazy is that I teach a graduate level course in complex decision making at a major university, and I am a decision making expert. I help people make hard decisions every day in my professional work. So I decided I had to do whatever it took to get really good at understanding internet marketing analytics. And now I have a robust analytical tool that guides me in every step. More importantly, I want to share what I've learned the hard way with you so you can make the smart decisions too. And there's plenty of money to be made in internet marketing, so why not share the secrets? So here's what you get. The fastest way to track the right data for your goals. How to overcome overwhelm by breaking things down. How to make the data mean something to you. How to make your fortune on data, not on guesswork. You're going to get my power spreadsheet with all of the formulas needed for your financial success. Know when to hold them and know when to fold them. The 3 critical secrets to optimize every campaign for sales success. Why you need at least 2 weeks data to make good decisions. And of course the exception to that rule, the one decision you have to make with just 3 days of data. Why you have to lose money in the beginning to make money down the road. And get inside the heads of your audience to understand the audience journey and how that journey is reflected in the data. Why failure is a given and essential to success in internet marketing. UTM parameters, what they are and why they are essential. All about clicks. why some leads are more valuable than other leads, why knowing your maximum ROAS before spending a dime on ad spends is critical. Data diagnostics. What is the data telling you to do at each step of your marketing campaign? And of course, much, much more. So what's this going to cost? Well, just the time that it took me to figure all of this out was about $25,000. And the value of the spreadsheet modeling tool I developed that you will receive as part of the course has a value of at least $50,000. And of course, I put all this together in 9 accessible lessons. The value of that is another $50,000. Well, I can't charge you $125,000, but a realistic value would be $2,500, which is a lot less than the cost of some of the high-end internet marketing training out there. I'm not going to do that either. In fact, I thought about $9.99 as more than fair, but that would defeat my purpose too. Call me crazy, but I've decided to offer this course for $99. That's it. There's no catch, but this is a limited time offer. I'm holding this price for the first 100 purchasers and then tripling the price to $449. I reward decision makers who can take strong action to meet their goals. There's no hidden continuity program or membership here, and there's no upsell. And in case you're still wondering why I'm doing this at such a ridiculous price, well, besides wanting to help you, like I explained earlier, there are a few other reasons. This is my way of saying thank you for being a valued subscriber and a customer. Because I don't make my money selling data analytics services. I actually make my money selling my books, online courses, high-ticket training, consulting, and so forth. So because of that, it doesn't hurt me to share with you my best tips, tricks, and insights when it comes to analyzing data and making good business decisions. I get a brand new product in your hands, and when you see how awesome it is and how much it helps you, it should get you excited to buy other stuff from me in the very near future. And I'm sick and tired of seeing people fail because they don't know the secrets of how to use data to make more sales. So now's the time for you to grab your copy of the course. Click on the button below the video. What are you waiting for? Click on the button. Still here? Click on the button and buy the course. If you don't love it, I'll give you your money back. So click the button, and I'll see you in the course.